Electric wheelchairs are a critical mobility solution for many adults, offering independence, safety, and comfort across daily activities and travel. With the growing market of lightweight, foldable designs and all-terrain capabilities, buyers must assess powertrain, weight, range, stability, and user-centric features like seating comfort and safety systems.
List number 1. YF001 Zygon Air Durable Electric Wheelchairs for Adults. The YF001 model from Zygon Air is a lightweight, foldable electric wheelchair powered by dual 250-watt motors with a 13 battery claimed to deliver up to 15 miles per charge. It supports up to 330 pounds and emphasizes all-terrain capability with solid honeycomb tires and a high-carbon steel frame. Notable safety features include a reverse alarm, anti-tip wheels, a 12-degree climbing ability, a seat belt, manual handbrake, and a controller braking system. In terms of portability, it weighs around 46 pounds with the battery weight exempt and folds compactly for trunk storage. Prospective buyers should note its emphasis on durability and travel readiness, with a focus on a balanced mix of stability and portability and a comfortable seating environment via soft leather armrests and removable cushion padding. Performance-wise, the dual 250-watt motors provide solid torque for indoor maneuverability and light to moderate outdoor surfaces. The 15-mile range makes it suitable for daily errands and campus-style trips, though real-world range will depend on terrain, user weight, and speed settings. The solid honeycomb tires offer puncture resistance and decent shock absorption. But, as with many solid tires, ride quality can degrade on highly uneven surfaces compared with pneumatic tires. The all-steel frame contributes to a sturdy feel, but adds weight to overall transport considerations. In usage, the fold-and-go design shines for car trunk storage and family trips. However, the absence of mention of suspension tuning beyond the generic all-terrain claim may leave some users wanting softer ride quality on rough pavements.
List number 2. 18 miles long-range travel range. Course Motility 2025 Upgrade. Compact electric wheelchair for adults. This model emphasizes long-range capability, up to 18 miles per charge, with a robust 600-watt motor setup and an all-aluminum frame rated for up to 380 pounds. Its foldable, compact design targets portability alongside all-terrain competence, aided by an advanced suspension system designed to smooth uneven surfaces. Weight is around 60 pounds, with a focus on quick transitions between home, car, and outdoor environments. Ergonomics are highlighted by breathable cushioning and an ergonomic seating arrangement aimed at reducing fatigue over extended use. In use, the 600-watt motors paired with the suspension system deliver strong performance on varied terrains, including light gravel and ramps. The aluminum frame contributes to a favorable weight-to-strength ratio, improving portability for caregivers and users who shuttle the chair frequently. The key trade-offs to consider include potential compromises in seating adjustability details, not specified, and the absence of explicit electrical braking or anti-tip specifics beyond standard safety measures. Given the higher system power, users should evaluate battery management, charger compatibility, and maintenance of the suspension components for long-term reliability.
List number 3. Electric wheelchairs for adults, foldable, lightweight, 36 pounds. Just Hero presents a featherweight option at roughly 36 pounds with a claimed 15-mile range and a 350-pound weight capacity. It uses a 500W brushless motor for smooth, quiet operation and offers a one-step foldable design, a 12-degree climbing capability, and a 360-degree joystick with adjustable speed up to 5 levels. Safety features include automatic braking on slopes when the controller is released, seat belts, anti-tip wheels, and a foldable handbrake. The setup also supports a removable 4.8-pound battery with a 12 rating, contributing to a travel-friendly package that can be charged separately. Performance-wise, the brushless 500W motors deliver decisive torque with low maintenance needs, while the small turning radius improves maneuverability in tight spaces. The 12-degree climbing ability makes modest elevation changes manageable, and the cockpit design allows right or left-hand mounting of the controller for user preference. The lightweight nature supports easier transport, but the lower base weight relative to capacity suggests careful loading to avoid overloading on steep slopes. The model also includes practical features like LED lighting and dual charging ports for mobile devices, enhancing user convenience on trips.
List number 4. YF001 Zygon Air Durable Electric Wheelchairs for Adults. This entry repeats the Zygon Air YF001 with a similar specification set to Product 1. Dual 250-watt motors, 13 battery, 15-mile range, and a 330-pound capacity. It emphasizes a foldable design, durable high-carbon steel frame, and puncture-resistant honeycomb tires for smoother ride quality under typical urban and light outdoor conditions. The seating is designed for comfort with soft leather armrests and removable cushion padding, and the chair includes safety features like anti-tip rails, reverse alarm, seat belt, and manual handbrake. The device fits within the same value proposition as Product 1, focusing on a robust daily use platform with travel-ready features. From a performance perspective, the 13 battery and dual 250-watt motors deliver stable propulsion for most daily needs, with the 12-degree climbing capability enabling modest inclines. The durability and safety systems provide reliability for users who value predictability and ease of maintenance. On the usability front, its foldable nature and manageable weight align well with caregivers who transport the chair regularly. However, as with many mid-range models, the lack of explicit suspension tuning and the limited range compared to some higher-end models could be a consideration for users with more demanding outdoor routes.
List number 5. Golden Technologies' new Light Rider NV Power Wheelchair. The Light Rider NV from Challenger Mobility, Golden Technologies, presents a traditional seat-width focused design with a 17-inch seat, 15.5 miles per battery charge, and a compact footprint. It disassembles into 4 pieces, with the heaviest segment at 37 pounds, which enhances transportability for users who require frequent loading into vehicles. A notable feature is under-seat storage in the standard basket, along with a larger foot platform for taller riders and a relatively easy maneuverability profile thanks to a compact geometry. The design prioritizes everyday usability and practical storage. Performance-wise, the 15.5-mile range is competitive for daily use, and the 4-piece disassembly simplifies travel. The larger foot platform enhances comfort for longer seating sessions, particularly for taller users, while the under-seat basket adds everyday practicality for groceries or personal items. As a potential limitation, the model's focus on compactness may come at the expense of higher top speeds or more aggressive suspension options, and the absence of explicit suspension details suggests that ride smoothness could vary by floor surface. The 17-inch seat width is favorable for many users, but may not fit everyone, and weight ratings should be confirmed for those near capacity.